I don't know if you heard about this website that could let you earn a significant amount of money without doing much. You won't be required to make any payments to make use of today's technique. You don't even need any special skills or previous work experience to do it. Pay close attention since all you need is your smartphone, an active internet connection, and the instructions I'm about to lay out for you in this brief but detailed video. I'll show you how easy it is. All you have to do is follow these few easy steps and you could start earning money. Sounds interesting? Find out more and stay until the end of this video. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So, if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. For our first step, all you have to do is go to youtube.com. What we are going to do is look for inspirational or motivational videos, something that talks about building your self-confidence. So let's type in how to be more confident, and that will show me all of these different videos, each of which has had millions of views. This particular video has been viewed over 26 million times, whereas this other video has been viewed over 2.7 million times, and so on. It has been shown that a sizable number of people are interested in watching content of this kind. This is a topic that piques the curiosity of a large number of people. Many people, perhaps millions, have this issue. There's nothing wrong with wanting to boost your self-confidence. Many people share this sentiment. And today, you will be providing that support to those people at no cost or whatsoever. What I need you to do is track down a few examples of such clips, whichever you would like to use. Take for instance, the fact that I am interested in viewing this one. I will simply click on this video and then I want you to click right here where it says share. And then I want you to copy the link that sends people to this video. I will do that once I click on the video. Moreover, once you have copied the link, I would want you to go to this website called uii.io. This is a website that offers you the opportunity to earn money for each visitor that navigates to your URL. Therefore, you have the potential to earn money through this website each time someone clicks on your link. And here's how it works. Just create an account on this website for free. Now to get started using this website, simply navigate to uii.io and click on the sign up button that is located over here. This will allow you to create an account. After that, you will be brought to this page, where you will first be prompted to create a one-of-a-kind username for your account and then input your email address. Make up a password, retype it twice, check the box indicating that you accept the terms of service and the privacy policy, and then click the button labeled Register. This is what the dashboard will look like after you have successfully created a brand new account. Here in the dashboard, you will be able to watch your profits, track your clicks, and determine how much money you have made. Additionally, the option to withdraw your money may be found on the left-hand side of the screen. Therefore, once you have accumulated sufficient funds, you are free to cash out and use those funds in any way you see fit. You simply paste your long link into the box and then they will shorten it for you automatically. You will earn money each time a user clicks on the shortened URL that you have provided. When users click on that link, they are taken to a landing page that displays advertisements, which is why you are compensated for each click. They can skip those advertisements and get directly to the website. Are you following along just fine? Show us some love by giving us a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button so you'll always be in the loop. Now, let's hop back in. Therefore, in essence, uii.io will share the ad revenue with you, which is a clever move on their part. In addition, the quality of the website is another reason why we choose to use it. It indicates a new shortened link right here, and I need you to click on it so that you may shorten the URL that sends people to a certain video. Having a lengthy URL might make a website appear ugly and untrustworthy. Therefore, shortening a link helps increase the number of times people click on it. Hence, you should paste the URL here and then click the shorten button. You will now be given this particular URL, and each time someone clicks on it, you will receive payment. Additionally, you will receive payment for every 1,000 clicks. And don't worry, because I'm going to show you a platform that you can use for free to advertise these links to millions of people every day. And you will only have to do the work once if you follow all of the procedures that are in this video. Therefore, make sure you keep up with that development. But before we go to that platform, you need to visit Linktree, which is a landing page builder that is completely free of charge and allows you to add numerous links at once. Maximizing the effectiveness of your efforts, simply go to Linktree, click on the button that says Get Started for free, and then fill out the required fields with your email address, a distinctive username, and password. After that, you will have a free account. Enter the same password again, and then all you have to do is click the register button. This is what it will look like when you first log in to your Linktree account after you have successfully created one. You should be able to view your landing page on the right-hand side of the screen. You may make money and complete autopilot by hosting various shorted links, and by doing so, you can make money. Stay tuned to find out how everything operates in detail. I'm sorry if this seems unclear right now, but if you could just bear with me, I will explain everything. You will need to click on Create a New Link, and you may give this link any name you like. Whatever the topic of the video on YouTube is an example, I can just copy the title of this video and post it here. And now, rather than pasting this direct link from YouTube, I will return to this website, copy the shorter link, and then post it over here. You can find the shortened link over here. Therefore, as you can see, if someone visits the landing page, they will be able to view how to be confident in any situation. This will be the case so that they can see how to be confident in any situation. They can watch it by clicking on that, which will lead them to the appropriate page. They will see the movie and they will be content with it because it is beneficial to them without costing them anything. I am going to be pleased, not just because I am going to make money off of this website, but also because I am going to get paid for each click. Now, the amount of money you may generate from this landing page is directly proportional to the number of links that you add to it. How do you like this video so far? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We appreciate your support. Now, let's go back to our video. Now, before we go to our last step, I want you to search for an article that you can easily find with a Google search about building your self-confidence or something that has to do with confidence, and then paste that into a Word document. Also, make sure that your article will not be flagged as plagiarized. It's even better if you create one on the same topic on your own. This file will be very useful for our next site. The final platform that we will be using is called slideshare.net, and it is a place where millions of people share common interests and read various articles on a wide variety of subjects. There are a lot of articles related to self-improvement and confidence that are available for free on this platform. This website allows you to communicate with tens of millions or even hundreds of millions of individuals. This gives you an idea of how many clicks you can receive for absolutely free with this website and how much potential it has. You will not get 100 million clicks, but it still gives you an idea of how many clicks you can obtain with this website. You can see that people are sharing the kinds of articles that people are interested in if I type confidence into this search bar over here. So let me just show you that. Simply navigate your browser to slideshare.net, locate and click on the icon labeled Sign Up, and then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your free account. When you are finished, navigate to the page where you will upload your files and click where it says Choose Files to Upload. If you double-click the file, it will be uploaded to the server and people will be able to read it immediately. If you want to see how much people are earning from this platform, you can go to uii.io and click on Payment Proof. As you can see, people are getting paid each day through the use of this website. Moreover, these individuals hail from countries all around the globe. Just take a look at all the different countries people are from, and you are free to choose whichever kind of payment best suits you. Therefore, if you wish to get paid using PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, and all of the other payment choices that are accessible to choose from, they are all available to you. Additionally, you can withdraw your money daily. And that's a wrap. I know it was a long one, but I hope you've found your way through it. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.